Volkswagen, one of the most iconic automobile manufacturers in the world, has a legacy that spans nearly a century. From its inception in Nazi Germany to becoming one of the largest car makers globally, Volkswagen has continually evolved with the changing times. This article delves into Volkswagen's history, technological innovations, business strategies, challenges, and future outlook. 1. The origins of Volkswagen. Volkswagen, which means people's car in German, was established in 1937 by the German Labor Front under Adolf Hitler's regime. The vision was to create an affordable car for the masses, leading to the development of the Volkswagen Beetle, originally designed by Ferdinand Porsche. However, World War II disrupted Volkswagen's initial plans. The company shifted to producing military vehicles like the Kübelwagen and Schwimmwagen. After the war, the British took control of the Volkswagen factory in Wolfsburg and revived the Beetle production. By the 1950s, Volkswagen had successfully positioned itself in international markets, with exports to the United States and beyond. Rise to prominence. 1950s, 1980s, the post-war period saw Volkswagen rapidly expanding its reach. The Beetle became one of the best-selling cars in history, and Volkswagen began diversifying its lineup. The introduction of the Volkswagen Transporter, Type 2, and the Golf, Rabbit in the US, solidified its reputation for making reliable and affordable vehicles. Volkswagen also acquired Auto Union, which later became Audi, expanding its portfolio and technological prowess. The 1970s marked the birth of the Volkswagen Passat, Golf, and Polo, three models that continue to be successful today. 3. Expansion and global influence. 1990s, 2000s, the 1990s and 2000s were periods of aggressive expansion. Volkswagen acquired brands like Seat, Skoda, Bentley, Bugatti, and Lamborghini, strengthening its presence in different market segments. The company also entered China, now one of its most significant markets. Volkswagen continued to innovate with fuel-efficient engines, safety features, and new designs. The launch of the Volkswagen Touareg marked its foray into the SUV market. Meanwhile, the Volkswagen Phaeton showcased the company's ambition to compete in the luxury segment. The Dieselgate scandal, 2015, and its aftermath. One of Volkswagen's biggest challenges came in 2015 when the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, discovered that the company had used illegal software to manipulate emissions tests in its diesel vehicles. The scandal, known as Dieselgate, resulted in billions of dollars in fines, recalls, and a significant blow to Volkswagen's reputation. Despite the crisis, Volkswagen rebounded by shifting its focus towards electric mobility and sustainability. 5. Volkswagen's electric revolution and sustainability efforts. In response to Dieselgate and global environmental concerns, Volkswagen embarked on an ambitious transformation. The company announced its ID series, with the ID.3 and ID.4 leading the way. By 2030, Volkswagen aims to be a global leader in electric vehicle, EV, production. Volkswagen's investment in battery technology, partnerships with companies like Northvolt, and the push for carbon-neutral production further demonstrate its commitment to a greener future. The company's MEB, modular electric drive, platform has become the foundation for many of its EVs. Challenges and competition. In the modern era, despite its successes, Volkswagen faces several challenges. The competition from Tesla and Chinese EV manufacturers is fierce. Supply chain disruptions, semiconductor shortages, and regulatory pressures add to its hurdles. Moreover, transitioning from internal combustion engines to EVs is a massive undertaking, requiring significant financial investments and reskilling of the workforce. 7. Volkswagen's future outlook. Looking ahead, Volkswagen has ambitious plans. The company aims to roll out new EVs, enhance autonomous driving technology, and expand digital services. With its Trinity project, Volkswagen envisions next-generation EVs with improved efficiency, longer range, and advanced software capabilities. By 2040, Volkswagen aims to be completely carbon neutral, aligning with global sustainability goals. It remains one of the most influential automotive brands, adapting to changing consumer preferences and technological advancements. Conclusion: Volkswagen's journey from a wartime project to a global automotive leader is remarkable. Despite setbacks like the Dieselgate scandal, the company has demonstrated resilience and adaptability. As it shifts towards electric and sustainable mobility, Volkswagen continues to shape the future of the automotive industry.